Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are just joining us for the first time on this YouTube channel, don't forget to press the subscription button and notification bell so that whenever we bring a review like this, you will be notified. Yes, this is a Yoruba movie for us, which is titled Elegun Masquerade, produced by Izihak, popularly known as Apa. For the past few days, this movie, Elegun, has been making waves on internet, on social media, Facebook, and all social handlers, simply because it reaches 1 million viewers. Presently, it's going to 2 million. Yes, if you haven't watched this movie, just go straight to Apa TV. Let us watch this movie together. Yeah, now come and tell us your mind. Who do you give it to in this movie? We can see that in this movie there are different type of characters there. That is a comedy mixed with reality. Yes, a comedy film mixed with reality. The way he plays his role and other cast is an exceptional. I give it to Apa in this movie called Elegun. From your own point of view, who do you give it to? Who do you credit in this movie? Is it Digboluja that you credit, or Lalude, or Abeni Agben? What about Tosin and other cast in the movie? Apparently did well in this, but what we are expecting from him, I personally, what I'm expecting from Apa now is something bigger than this. So what will happen in part 2 of this movie? How will it happen? Yes. Will his father later conquer him? That is, neutralize all the power he's using? Because his father, which is Lalude, has been trying to neutralize his power, that is to remove what he has deposited in him, simply because he has been using this to harass people, to intimidate or disturb the peace of their village. But the man is now ready to bring him back to normal, but Apa fails to, which prompts this man to take a drastic action, that is to neutralize his power. That is where part 1 ended. Will this man be able to succeed in neutralizing Apa's power in this movie called Elegun? Let's wait and watch and see what will happen in part 2 of this great movie, Elegun. Thanks for watching.